So today I just got my hearing aids in the mail, and you can see Luxato hearing and how well packaged it is, and see what everything comes with. So I'll be right back. So here I am, and I've just unboxed, and how great they look. The box is very rugged, sturdy, and inside the box, and a little case which is very nice, very good, that you can put these in your pocket if you're sitting in a restaurant and you want to take them off for some reason. Very nice case. Cleaning. So I'm real excited to get these and put them in, and that's what I'm going to do right now.